They are birds. They can't fly, but they can talk.
Hello, my penguinesian friend. How are you doing today?
Me. He's a fishy. Ah! Save Yoshi! Save him! Save him! Save Yoshi! Come on!
Mario, do not fall into the pit of lava!
Save Yoshi! This is Penguin. Hello! Save Yoshi! I miss Penguin. But, seriously, save Yoshi. I'm going to show you my favorite move. I am the Penguin. This is Obox.
What? Who said that?
He is a roadrunner.
Where are those voices coming from?
What is your name again?
I am Obax.
Also there's Mr. Chicken. Earthquake! 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 Phew. Glad that's over. Mr. Chicken, what the heck were you trying to do now?
I was trying to fly.
Hey, the penguin. Mr. Chicken, what are you up to today? What? What are you saying? You take that cup off your beak? Yeah.
It's your fault!
What did I do? Would you speak something I can understand, please? I speak penguin.
Touché.
What?
You know what? Do you know what? How many times did you miss?